Let's talk about the chords. What are the chords and how to play them? A chord is comprised of three or more keys played at the same time. In this course, we will focus on simple triads, three notes, and play them exclusively on the wide keys. Each chord starts with a root note and it is named after that note. For example, if I want to build a C chord and follow the symbol in a future sheet music, I need to find C note, I need to locate it, place my thumb on it, then skip over and skip over once again. Here's my C chord. And look at this, I remember about my hand position, do you? This is my hand position, as if I was holding an oval or round object. I press the key with the tip of my finger. So press it. Sometimes it might be hard to press all the keys at the same time right away. So what I would do, I would press the bottom key of my chord and the top key of my chord together, and then would add the one in the middle. Try this, sink into it, press it a few times, and then add the middle one. Looks like, if you look at it, at this shape looks like a dome. Try same exercise in left hand. The bottom note, skip. I'm just gonna prepare third, but not gonna press it this time. And then find the top one. The middle one is patiently waiting. Let's press this too. First, make sure that I have my dome shape in here. And once I feel comfortable with that, I'm gonna add the middle tone. And look at this. My third finger is kind of sitting here because sometimes my students try to scooch it all together and that's what they get over there. No, just let your palm rest on the keys. Sometimes like this exercise helps, right? Just like that. And when I start to play right and left hand together, I'm gonna do the same thing. Gonna find C, then G with my thumb in left and with my pinky in right, and gonna press it several times. And then my third finger will join eventually. Sometimes the keys might be pressed unevenly. It's a matter of practice. Be patient with yourself and give yourself time. Always remember that your brain is not accustomed to play this, to do this in general. Are you performing any other activities in your life this way? Like this, right? Like, for example, holding a fork, right? You don't. So be patient with yourself. After you got C chord under the belt, you can play any other chord on the keyboard. And remember, the name of the chord is defined by the bottom note. So it's C chord with C at the bottom, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And then try and play maybe with separate hands chords, different chords on the keyboard. And listen how the combination of those chords sounds like, because all our songs are based on chords. So practice the chords and let me know how it goes.